Well, as you mentioned before, the the age is for me it's a it's a number. Not necessarily means that you have 34, 35, 36 that you are in the end of your career. I can show that with my exhibitions, the way I play, the way I still feel good, sharp, thinking the game, more mature. I think this is makes the difference. In English or Spanish?
Seperti yang Anda sebutkan sebelumnya, usia bagi saya itu hanyalah sebuah angka. Belum tentu Anda berusia 34, 35, 36, berada di akhir karir Anda. Saya dapat menunjukkannya dengan visi saya, bagaimana cara saya bermain, berpikir jernih agar permainan lebih matang. Saya pikir ini membuat perbedaan dalam Liga Inggris atau Spanyol.
I think the team it's much better. We are more confident. We play, in my opinion, a different kind of football. We play more in a attack with more possession. My rule, I think it's kind of similar, maybe a little bit more free. The way I feel comfortable, the way I feel good. So I'm really happy. Step by step, we've been in a position that we should be, Juventus. Of course, we have different coach, we have different system, we have new players. Everything changed, but I think we change for better way. We are better. We still improve. We are many other points that we had to improve, but we are happy. We are happy because we improve weekend by weekend.
Saya pikir tim ini jauh lebih baik. Kita lebih percaya diri dalam bertanding. Menurut saya, ini jenis sepak bola yang berbeda. Kita bermain lebih menyerang dengan posisi yang lebih banyak. Saya pikir itu agak mirip, mungkin sedikit lebih bebas. Hal ini membuat saya merasa nyaman dan merasa baik. Saya benar-benar bahagia. Langkah demi langkah, kami telah berada dalam suatu posisi bahwa kami harus menjadi Juventus. Tentu saja kita punya pelatih berbeda, sistem berbeda, dan punya pemain baru. Semuanya telah berubah. Tapi saya pikir kita berubah menjadi lebih baik. Banyak poin lainnya yang harus kami tingkatkan. Kami senang karena telah melakukan peningkatan.
Ciao, sono Paolo Tomaselli del Corriere della Sera. Volevo chiederti se è più difficile vincere il pallone d'oro per te o per la Juventus vincere la Champions League.
For me, it's the football every year is a challenge, not just for me but also for Juve. We want to win, of course, the Serie A. We want to win the cup. We want to win the Champions League. And I think Juventus should thinking big because big club should thinking in a big way. We're gonna try to win the all trophies. We know it's gonna be difficult, especially the league and the Champions League. But I think it's possible, step by step. I think everything is possible. In terms of individual, I don't have nothing to say because this is individual. It's it's not the most important. The most important is the collective awards, as I mentioned before. Because if you win the collective awards, you have more chance to win individual awards. So I think this is where we are. This is where I am. The Golden Ball, it's for me, it's is in the second place. This is not the most important.
Ok?
The most important, as I say before, is collective awards.
Sepak bola setiap tahunnya adalah tantangan, tidak hanya untuk saya, tetapi juga untuk Juventus. Kami ingin memenangkan Liga dan menjuarai Liga Champion. Saya pikir Juventus harus berpikir besar karena klub besar harus berpikir besar. Kami akan mencoba memenangkan piala. Kami tahu itu akan sulit, terutama Liga Champion. Tapi saya pikir itu mungkin. Dalam hal individu, tidak ada yang saya bisa katakan. Karena ini adalah individu. Itu bukanlah hal yang paling penting. Karena yang terpenting adalah penghargaan bersama tim. Seperti yang saya katakan sebelumnya. Jika Anda memenangkan penghargaan bersama tim, Anda memiliki lebih banyak kesempatan untuk memenangkan penghargaan individu. Menjadi top skor bagi saya, itu bukanlah sesuatu yang penting. Hal yang paling penting, seperti yang saya katakan, adalah penghargaan secara tim.
I did unbelievable season last year. I win 3 titles. Individual, I was good in a good level. I started very good this season. Me and of course my team, Juventus, we are good. We are improved. Individual is not the most important right now. The most important is to win games. It's the game tomorrow that we should win. We know if we win tomorrow, we are 50% qualified. So I think the most important it's tomorrow to do the good game, to play as we play, and to carry on like that. As I said before, we have a different coach, we have different players, new system. I like the way you want that the team play. If you can see the games, I think the team is more confident. We create more chances. We have more the ball. The players that are more confident. This doesn't mean that last year with Allegri we didn't do a good job as well. We did a fantastic job, but this is different. Thinking football the different way that the Allegri, for example. And to be honest, I'm happy. I'm happy because we play more forward. We play with more confidence. We create a lot of chances. We don't score much, but we create a lot, which is important as well. And we are in the top of the league. We are good in the champions. Good. The season starts 1 month, 2 months ago, 1 month ago, and we had many things to improve. But so far, I think I'm happy, and the team they are happy as well.
Saya melakukan hal yang luar biasa pada musim lalu. Saya memenangkan 3 gelar secara individu. Tentu saja, tim saya Juventus akan membaik. Individu bukanlah hal yang paling penting. Saat ini yang paling penting adalah memenangkan pertandingan. Kami harus menang pada pertandingan esok hari. Kami tahu, kami menang besok 50%, kami akan lolos ke tahap selanjutnya. Jadi, saya pikir yang paling penting adalah bermain dengan sebaik mungkin pada pertandingan. Seperti yang saya katakan sebelumnya, kita memiliki pelatih berbeda, pemain yang berbeda, sistem baru. Saya pikir tim ini lebih percaya diri. Kita akan menciptakan lebih banyak peluang dan memenangkan banyak pertandingan. Ini bukan berarti bahwa tahun lalu Allegri tidak melakukan dengan baik karena kami kalah. Kami melakukan dengan fantastis, tapi ini berbeda. Jujur, aku senang karena kami bermain lebih maju. Kami bermain lebih percaya diri. Kami membuat banyak kemungkinan. Meskipun tidak mencetak banyak gol. Tetapi kami berada di puncak liga.
Well, this is already past 700. It's I'm not thinking more about than that number. I want the next numbers. I want to help the team first of all, which is the most important. With my exhibitions, with my assistants, with my goals. I just want to be in a pitch, help the team to win trophies, which is the most important. Individual awards for me, it's not the main reason. Of course, it's good, and of course I'm proud to score 700 goals, to win individual awards. But for me, the priority it's to win things for the Juve and for the national team as well, and the records coming in a natural way. So for me this is second point.
700 gol, saya tidak memikirkan itu. Saya ingin membantu tim. Itulah yang paling utama. Saya hanya ingin membantu tim untuk memenangkan banyak piala. Penghargaan individu peragaan individu bukanlah hal yang penting bagi saya. Saya bangga mencetak 700 gol. Saya bisa mendapat penghargaan secara individu. Tetapi bagi saya Yang paling utama adalah kemenangan untuk Juventus dan untuk tim nasional.
What makes me pissed or sad, it's when the people don't say the truth. Hurt me. But in a football, not many things, as the press say, make me sad or upset, because it's the industry of football. I accept, I'm in a football 17 years, so I play in many clubs, I win many things, I play in all competitions. I know what sells, I know. But for me, this is not the most important, because a part of football, I have a life, I have family, I have kids, I have wife, and for me, this is the most important. And in football, everyone can criticize, can give opinions, they have favorite players. For me, this is not a problem. It's my job, and if you speak about my job, the way you watch me in pitch, I'm comfortable. Away of that, for me, it's more important. It's the social with the people, with my family, with friends. For me, it's the most important. Che mi fa stare felice to win games, to enjoy myself, to score goals, to arrive in home and see my kids happy and say congratulations daddy to score a goal. This is make me happy, and it's my motivation to coming to the training ground, to training, for the games, to entertain the people, to entertain the fans with my football, with my passion. This is will make me happy.
Hal yang membuat saya kesal ketika orang-orang tidak mengatakan kebenaran. Itu menyakitkan. Saya mulai bermain sepak bola pada umur 17 tahun. Saya telah bermain di banyak klub dan berbagai kompetisi. Tetapi, bagi saya ini bukanlah yang terbaik, karena yang terpenting adalah kehidupan bersama keluarga. Bagi saya ini yang paling penting. Dalam sepak bola, semua orang bisa mengkritik dan memberikan opini siapa pemain favoritnya. Bagi saya itu bukanlah masalah. Jika Anda berbicara tentang pekerjaan saya, Anda bisa melihat saya saat bermain di lapangan. Namun, bagi saya yang paling penting adalah bersosial bersama orang-orang, keluarga, dan teman-teman. Saya merasa senang ketika mencetak gol. Anak-anak saya bangga ketika saya pulang ke rumah. Ini menjadi motivasi saya untuk terus berlatih, agar bisa menghibur orang-orang, menghibur penggemar dengan sepak bola. Ini membuat saya senang.
In terms of what you say, the second question, the same question, but the second role, it's Dybala or Higuain. They are both fantastic players, like Bernardeschi, Cuadrado. I think we have a huge players in the team. Anyone can do his job properly. Takes to the coach to take his decisions. He is the boss. He took the decisions, and he know what is better for the team. So we have to respect the coach. But in my opinion, both they are fantastic players. Both they help the team. We have an easy example. The last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Dybala play, he score. Dybala coming on, Higuain coming on, and scored the winning goal. So this is show that we are a team. Doesn't matter who play, who go to the bench. We are everyone together. So this is the most important.
Dybala atau Higuain, mereka berdua adalah pemain yang fantastis. Yang lain juga seperti Bernardeschi, Cuadrado. Saya pikir kami punya pemain yang bagus dalam tim. Pelatih yang mengambil keputusan. Dia adalah bosnya. Dia yang mengambil keputusan dan dia tahu apa yang terbaik untuk tim. Kita harus menghargai keputusan pelatih. Menurut saya, kedua pemain tersebut adalah pemain yang fantastis, seperti 2 atau 3 minggu terakhir. Dybala bermain dan dia mencetak gol. Higuain bermain dan dia mencetak gol kemenangan. Tidak masalah siapa yang bermain, siapa yang pergi ke bangku cadangan. Kita bermain bersama-sama. Inilah yang paling penting.
Well, many people in the press they say that the team play different when they play with Cristiano. Even in the national team, sometimes the people they ask these questions, which is I'm not agree. Many points you have different opinions. coaches they have opinions, the press have a different opinion, but the way the people say that means or look like that I don't help the team, for example, defensively, for example, which is not true. Everyone have his role. If you ask me to play in a goalkeeper, I don't know to defend the goalkeeper. If you ask Buffon to go to the striker, they don't know to score goals. So everyone have his role in the team, which is makes a biggest team. I know my role, the coach know my role, my teammates they know my role, I know the role of my teammates. This is why we are a team. The teams works like that, and we have successful because we work like a team, and we're gonna win important things if we work as a team. So for me, this is the key point, and it's the most important point. With Matuidi, with Rabiot, with Ramsey, with Dybala, doesn't matter. We are all together and we are a team.
Banyak orang dalam konferensi pers yang mengatakan bahwa tim bermain berbeda saat Cristiano bermain, bahkan di tim nasional. Saya tidak setuju. Anda memiliki pendapat berbeda, pelatih memiliki pendapat, orang-orang juga memiliki pendapat. Saya tidak akan bermain sebagai penjaga gawang, dan Buffon yang bermain sebagai penjaga gawang tidak akan bermain sebagai penyerang. Setiap orang memiliki peran masing-masing dalam tim. Mereka tahu peran saya, pelatih tahu peran saya, dan saya tahu peran tim saya. Kami bisa menangkan pertandingan karena kami bekerja sebagai tim, dan kami akan memenangkan hal-hal penting jika kami bekerja sebagai tim. Tidak masalah siapa yang bermain, kita adalah tim.